Boys. So I say hello to all of you. I hope all of you are doing well. All of you are
Yes.
okay.
Alhamdulillah.
No.
Alhamdulillah. So this is our revision week, and as you can see, I have shared a revision worksheet in front of you. Can you see me? Sorry, can you see this worksheet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's good. So, boys, this week and coming week also, we are going to have these all weeks are actually the revision weeks, and all these things are being done just to improve your so that you can learn whatever the most of it, and to improve the level, so that it will be easy for you if you for your next grade, so that these things will be already in your knowledge, or already you have a knowledge about all these things. So that's why it's really important to go through these revision weeks. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So in all these revision weeks, okay, we are going to the important topics from the previous weeks I have included in these worksheets. Okay, these worksheets are all already uploaded in Office system, so you can download. So for the next meeting, you must keep these with you, so that whatever the things we can discuss. Okay,
ما أعرفش.
okay, boys.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
it is already uploaded in the system. Please take a printout and keep it with you for the next time. If you don't have right now, it's okay, but just you can have a look on the soft copy in front of you. But you must have a hard copy with you. You have to solve all these worksheets. Okay. Okay, boys. So
Okay.
let's start. As you can see that this topic in front of you, our first topic of discussion is how to make plurals for nouns. Okay, and mostly in most type of nouns we make plurals by adding s. Okay, like lamp, lamps. Okay, and but some nouns, there are some exceptions as well. Okay, most of the nouns we make them plural by adding s, but there are some exceptions. Okay, what are those exceptions? That nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x, or z. For example, I am talking about the end letters. Okay, if they end in these letters x, double s, sh, or you can say ch, x, or z, how can we make their plurals? By adding es, like you can see boxes, dresses. Okay, so this is another exception. The next one is nouns ending in consonant o. Some of the nouns, if they are ending in o, the letter o, it's a consonant. Okay, so how can we make their plurals? Add either s or es. There are no rules for this, you have to know. Okay, so you can add es or you can add s, it's up to you. Heroes, without s or es, both are accepted. You can add es, you can add s. Okay, okay, boys.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm teaching you here, that most nouns, okay, we know that we can make plural for nouns by just adding s, but there are some exceptions. What are those exceptions we are learning here? Okay, some exceptions are that some nouns they are ending in s, h, ch, x, or z letters. So how can we make their plurals by adding es? Some ending in o. How can we make their plural by adding s or es? Either any one of these. Okay, if it's a consonant. But if uh, if a word is having a o letter at the end and it's a vowel sound, okay, not a consonant sound. Okay, so if it's a vowel sound, you just have to add s to make plural, like ratio. Oh, actually this vowel sound is making a kind of sound that your mouth is becoming in a circular way. Okay, if I pronounce this ratio, you can see at the end, oh, oh, this is a vowel sound actually. Okay, boys. Hero. Here there is a it is actually a semi kind of voice here, not a full. Okay, so that's why it's a consonant here and it's a vowel here. If it's a vowel, we just have to add s. Okay, boys. Some nouns ending in, okay, some nouns ending in consonant y. How can we make their plurals by changing the Y, change the Y to an I and add es, like story, stories. We remove the Y. Okay, boys, Muhammad Ashram. We remove
Yes,
the
yes.
Y and we add I. We write I in place of it and then we add es. So it becomes stories. Okay. This is how we make plural of such words like ending in Y consonant. Okay, but if the Y is not a consonant, if it's a vowel, so you just have to add S. Okay, so very careful about this exception. So you must be careful that whether the Y here is a consonant or it's an either a consonant or either a vowel. Never be both at the same time. So it can be a consonant, so it can be a vowel. So it depends upon here in this word story, it's a consonant. So for the consonant, if it's a Y, we remove the Y, we put I, and then we add es. So for making plural. But if it's a vowel, we don't remove or cut Y. We just add s, like donkeys, chimneys. Okay. The next thing, some words they end in f, like door and hoof. If they are ending in f or fe, how can we make their plurals? By adding ves and ors. There are no rules you have to know. Like dark, we can say darks, or we can say dwarves, Dwarves. So you can add ves or you simply add s. But you know, the most prominent case is that most of the cases they are adding ves. Like, do you know the word knife? Knife, knife. The thing we use to cut something. Okay, it's a tool. So what is the plural of knife? Knives. Okay, knives, because it is ending in f. So if the words are ending in f or fe, what we have to do, we have to remove f or we have to add ves or simply s.
Okay.
Okay, boys, the next thing is noun ending is with is. Analysis. See, the ending is is. Axis, is. What you have to do, you have to change the is to
Yes.
Yes.
es for making the plural. Analysis. Okay, analysis. So
Axis.
the I think so the axis the pronunciation I think so will be same, but from where you will come to know whether it's a singular or plural from here. If it's is, it's a singular, but if it's es, it's a plural.
Blue.
Yeah, that's the thing that you must keep in your mind. Okay, exceptions. What are the exceptions?
Man, man, lose,
Yeah,
lose.
these are the exceptions that you have to. Some nouns undergo a vowel. You just have to, for example, man.
Mouse, mice.
Like we remove a and we put e. Okay, lice.
Mouse, mice.
Okay, mouse, mice. There are some more words exceptions are there, like woman, women. Okay, more exceptions like salmon and sheep. We don't change them. Both are singular, same. Salmon, salmon, sheep, sheep. Actually it's a fish name. Okay, usually the international rule is that we, for the fish, plural fish is fish, but we usually are saying fishes. Okay, it is also acceptable, but the internationally they are saying that fish, the plural is also fish. Okay, singular and plural, but it depends upon our use, that how we are using in our sentence. Okay,
Okay.
some foreign rulings. Okay, fungus, some nouns adopt foreign ruling, like fungus means fungi or okay, and medium means media, that's the plural. So these are some of the cases that I have shared here in front of you, that how can we make plurals of nouns. Okay, the most nouns, the simpler case or the common case is just to add s, but there are some exceptions, that where we have to add es, we have to add simply s, we have to change o, we have to change y and put ies, we have to change f or put ves. So let's see. So this is how. Okay, so this is the exercise. Okay, so what would be the answer for first one? Penny.
Yes.
Yeah, pennies. Okay, scarf. Scarf.
Scarves or
Scarf,
scarves?
scarf, scarf, yes.
Okay, dish.
Dishes. ES.
Yes, here. Okay, peach.
ES.
Yeah.
Yes.
Peaches. Okay, calf.
VES.
VES.
Yeah, calves.
VES.
Calves. Here. Okay.
Cherry.
Okay.
The
IES.
first one.
Cherry.
IES.
IES. IES.
Okay, wish.
Wish.
ES.
Wishes.
ES.
Yes.
Wishes. Okay, pouch.
Pouch.
Yes.
ES.
Pouches.
ES.
Here.
Wolves. VES.
Wolves.
Wolves.
Yes.
This one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Fox.
Yes.
ES.
Okay. Berry.
IES.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
That's a good. Shelf.
Shelves.
VES. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Very good, boys. Very good.
Mr.
Okay. Yes.
This is a revision for the final.
Yeah, the final exam can be like this. Actually, in all these 3 weeks,
I wish, Mr.
whatever the things, okay, it will be very easy. Don't worry about these things, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. These will be things similar, like you don't have to write too much. There will be like objective type questions, okay? Don't worry about this.
Circle.
Yeah, Mister, there is no right like the midterm right to مثلا me I will write to Amr I write 100 words.
Yeah.
I will write
Because if there is an
5 words.
if there is an online exam, we don't have to write too much, okay? So it will,
Alhamdulillah.
it should be,
Alhamdulillah. If there is a rank, I'll write only 5 words.
it should be very simple. So these worksheets will give you an idea that how can the exam could be, okay?
Okay.
Where the fuck?
How could
Mister,
be the
you
exam?
will give us the schedule for the
Whenever
quizzes.
the circular from the management,
exam معلش.
I will share with you, okay?
Okay.
Here in this exercise, question number 2, identifying the 4 kinds of sentences. You know, boys, declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamation.
Yes.
We have to decide, we have to write here, we have to write who was the first female astronaut. Okay, what kind of,
Interrogative.
okay, all of you agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, buckle your seat belt even for short trips.
Declarative.
Imperative.
Who said this?
No, imperative. Oh, sorry. Declarative is for asking for something.
Yeah, it's imperative. That's nice. Good. Because you are giving a kind of instruction or a kind
Order.
of advice.
Okay.
It's a kind of instruction or an order. Buckle your seat belt even for short trips. It's a kind
Please put the stamp. This declarative.
of
Imperative.
imperative.
Imperative also.
Yeah.
Number
this is
3 also
because-
imperative.
See the word, the kind of,
Imperative gives you order.
yeah, to request,
Ah,
to
okay,
order,
okay.
to give advice. Even request, to put say or to put request is also an imperative sentence. Okay?
يعني Mr. like number 6 is declarative, yes? And number 7,
Yes.
number 8 is declarative also.
This is exclamatory because it's an exclamatory
This
mark.
exclamatory, yes.
And also this exclamatory.
Okay, what about 6?
Declarative.
Declarative.
Okay, declarative.
Interrogative. 7 interrogative.
Yes,
Interrogative.
interrogative.
This one,
Imperative.
Declarative.
yeah, because the word insert. Okay,
Oh.
yeah,
Imperative.
imperative. Very good, boys. Very good. I'm clapping for you. Very good.
Choose the correct. Yeah, Mr. Today, yeah, Mr. There is not so much people come in the يعني Zoom.
And
Only
Abdullah
5.
and Yasser and Mehdi. And Ashraf.
Yes, only 5. Also in the physics, only 5. Me and Abdullah and Jasser and Mahdi.
Because you are very good boys, very nice.
And Kareem, Mr. very good, but he didn't.
Kareem, والله يا Mr. غريبة يا Mr. today not come. Maybe he's now sleeping يا Mr. because
What happened?
he was
Yeah. Kareem also. Kareem, what happened to him?
I don't know.
Maybe
But
he's
Mr.
sleeping.
I think that there are some people will not come again. Like Abdulaziz, Naif, this will not come.
Okay.
And back.
Okay, fine. So we will continue to our next exercise. We move be here, choosing the correct end mark for each sentence.
But teacher,
Yes. Jasir.
it's little whiter, isn't it?
Sorry, I could not hear you.
It's a little more. It's a little more quieter without them, isn't it? Except of Kareem.
You are saying about Kareem. I could not understand. What are you saying?
No. I mean, whatever instead of Kareem, like Abdulaziz,
جاسر في
Naif,
lag
Uh-huh.
صوته.
Okay.
like Abdulaziz and Naif, others except of Kareem, they're making it a little noisy.
Yeah, you can say. Yeah, because most of the time they are talking to
والله تسليك.
Anyhow, boys, here we move. In this exercise, you have to put the marks like this: full stop or question mark or exclamation mark, whatever you have to do. So we have to
اوكي
choose the correct end mark. Okay, so I will start from. I will ask one by one. There are 6 sentences. So I will start with Jasir. Give us some examples. Jasir, what will come here?
One or two?
Number 1.
1
Full stop.
Full stop.
Okay, that's good. Well, a group of lions is a pride.
Full stop also, يا مستر. It's full stop.
Okay, Muhammad Ashram, fine. Okay, number 3, who is next? Abdullah. What is the group
Easy.
of leopards called?
Easy.
Interrogative. Question mark.
Yeah, that's good. Mahdi, have you ever heard of a leap of leopards?
No, he didn't.
Question mark.
That's good. What a great name that is for those cats.
exclamatory
Okay. Exclamatory. What a great name that is for those cats.
No,
No,
يا عمرو
period.
يا زكي. Declarative or imperative.
Yeah, you boys.
Interrogative. Question mark.
Guys, he's right.
يا غبي ده إعجاب.
What a great name that is for those. Yeah, you are right, Amr. Very good, Amr.
أعظم هذا الاسم.
This is exclamatory mark here. That's good. Okay, so what is this?
Let you Mr. Jasser because
period
Okay, full
he's
period or full stop. That's good. Okay, number C. Okay, read this. Number C.
Who read?
recognizes the 4 kind of sentence
على طول عمرو بدون حتى بس يقول له.
Okay, Abdullah.
المستر قال لك خليك ساكت
Abdullah, read this. Abdullah.
أكيد. Okay, Mr. Recognize the 4 kinds of sentence. On the line provided, label each sentence below: declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Then show that punctuation is needed.
What punctuation?
The mark يعني يا Mr.
Yeah. The mark. What punctuation is needed at the end?
is needed for the.
Yeah, okay, fine. So have you understood the question that on the provided line, this is the line provided, okay? Label each sentence below, whether it's a declarative, what's an interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Then show what punctuation means, what will come here, before
Where?
this part, where the sentence is at, whether it will come a full stop or a question mark or a exclamation mark, what will come here, okay? So Maine is a New England state. Yeah. So what will come?
It is imperative, declarative.
Yeah,
Full stop.
good. Full stop. That's good. Okay, Abdullah, finished. Who is next? What is the
Me. Question mark, يا مستر.
what? Okay.
Interrogative.
Okay, that's good. Who is next? Visit.
Imperative.
Okay, that's good. Imperative. Full stop. Okay, number 4.
No, يا مستر. One for عمرو, one for مهدي.
Yeah, Amr. Number 4.
interrogative
مهدي حينكب.
Okay, and number 5.
انقرا.
Oh لا والله جاء.
What? Number 5.
Yeah.
Period. Imperative.
Oh my God, wrong.
What?
What a
Wrong.
rocky coast this is.
What a rocky. It's an
Exclamatory.
Mark.
It's an exclamation. He's saying
Yes.
what a rocky coast this is, okay? Exclamation. You have to
Okay.
والله كلام عبد الله طلع صح
so it's an exclamation mark here and it's an exclamatory sentence, okay?
شباب مش احنا في العربي.
Yeah, be very careful boys about this thing. Okay, next.
exclamation mark. هي زي كلام في الانجلش.
So,
What? مين فهم يا جاسر السؤال؟
one by one. Okay, match the following.
الله أعلم.
We have to match it. Okay, so number one, our neighbor bought a new computer.
Our
Declarative.
neighbor got a new computer, it will be declarative.
Okay. So,
And the second
So you
one
put
is interrogative.
One at declarative.
okay. And third one,
1B,
What
2A.
if
Second one, yeah, Mr.
exclamatory, exclamatory, and
Reading.
imperative.
Imperative.
imperative. Please be careful about the word please. And if it's a kind of request, it's an advice, it's an order, so it will be an imperative. But if it's just simple information, it will be it would be a declarative. But if it's showing a kind of sentence which is showing a kind of very happy or excitement. Okay, so if it's showing a kind of excitement, or if it's showing a kind of wonder, why is this thing? Okay, so that would be exclamatory. Okay, boys. And simple question means interrogative. So these are the four kinds of sentences actually. Okay, so number E, choose the correct answer. Okay, because we have finished almost, so I don't want to go further. So that would be
No, Mr. Gosso, we will finish faster, yeah, Mr.
no, we this week we don't have a class tomorrow, but and also to day after tomorrow, but we have on Wednesday and Thursday. Yeah,
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
yeah.
And Sunday.
So on Wednesday we will finish all this because there is one listening worksheet also for you. Okay, boys.
But teacher,
Yeah,
teacher,
Mr.
is that a fact or opinion that you wrote? Did you know that Mario was originally named Mario?
Sorry, what
I thought that it's
What? Yes, what?
what second opinion about?
الجملة هذه did you know
Huh?
أنا بعرف بس هما دي كلام حقيقي ولا بس
Fact and opinion
Like,
exercise. You are talking about fact and opinion exercise?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But no. That would be kind of, I feel that would be difficult. So that's why I have included only these things. Okay. So that easily you can do it.
Okay. Okay.
Anyhow, choose the correct answer. Did you know that Mario wasn't originally named Mario?
That's what I think
Interrogative.
think is
Okay. That's
That's right.
His
His
name
name used to be
Jumpman.
Jumpman. It's imperative, yes?
Abdullah has entered the waiting room for it.
Abdullah left the meeting. Why? Maybe Mr. They kick him.
or
But
disconnected.
it's like, yes,
And-
now he come.
Anyhow, Jumpman. Yes, that's right. His name used to be Jumpman. Okay.
Yes.
Really?
What kind of name is this, Mr.?
What a silly name, Allah.
This is for you, Mahdi. Keep it from my
Oh, Mahdi.
side. Okay, number 3. Boys, can you hear me? Boys, what a silly name. What kind of sentence this is? Exclamatory? Okay. And number 4, can you guess?